Good morning. So, what is your girl has been up to? So as you guys know, the driving schools are opening, so your girl is back driving. I still haven't got my bed up till now. Hopefully next month, April, I will get it because this month is almost finished. I still haven't got my bed. So I have the mattress lying down on the ground. I slept on it a few days ago because I had some family members come around to spend time, so I had to come here and sleep. So this is how I set the bed. I had the mattress on the ground and I put some stuff on top of it, and this is how I was sleeping. But now I'm back to the girls' room because yeah, family members are gone and I still haven't got my bed yet. And there is some stuff for the room, matras beschermen, some mattress protector, some stuff for the bed, pillows for the bed. But I need to get the thing here for the Ikea, but it still hasn't. They still don't have it at Ikea the store. Wat is er? Ik kom zo, wat is er? Ja, ik kom zo voor jou pakken, oké? Ga maar even wachten. So they still didn't have the drawer, the ladderkast, the drawer with the I don't want to say vanity. It's not a vanity. It's just a long thing with some drawer. And they still didn't have it yet. They have it in a different department of Ikea, but I can't really go there because your girl doesn't have a car yet. So I have to wait till they have it in my area. Then I can order it online. They can bring it because the other department is far away. So they ask you to go and pick it up. But I'm not going to do that. So yeah, but so far everything is good. I haven't done anything yet because I'm still waiting for the bed. Then I will kind of change things around. Maybe I'll also change the lamp. I'm thinking of changing the lamp. I'm thinking of buying something to put like on top of the bed, but I'm not too sure yet for that because I first want the bed to come. The wardrobe is already fixed. As you guys can see, it's really nice. I really love it. My makeup vanity, I have changed the table, so hopefully the bed fits exactly this measurement. Now I have my makeup vanity pushed this way. This is just like an old drawer for my daughter and she doesn't need it anymore. And I put underneath there to put some of my stuff there. These are just a personal stuff, no makeup, just stuff to wear like leggings, those panties and sport bras. I just put them there. And so this is how I have my Alex drawer. I feel like this is much more easy, even though I can get full access. I can't actually get, okay, I need to remove this because every time I can't get full access to this, but I feel like this is okay when I want to take something. These are more like stuff to wear at home, so I can get access to it easily. So that's the reason why I'm like, if this one doesn't fully open, it's kind of okay, but this one has to fully open. So yeah, so now I just have random makeup stuff standing here and I need to organize all of these things, but for now I don't really have time. I just want the bed to come because my mood is kind of down because the bed is not here, and I have the other makeup organizer standing here. This is a package that I need to post, but your girl needs to find time to go to the post store. And I also ordered some new skincare products. If you guys want to know all, I ordered some new skincare product, and I also ordered some more which are coming maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow. If you guys want to know more about like skincare, my skincare makeup tutorial, follow me on my beauty channel, which is AMIFULLEST Beauty. If you guys want to know more about hair, follow me on my hair channel, which is AMIFULLEST. AMIFULLEST, it's just AMIFULLEST. My main channel is AMIFULLEST, and there I have AMIFULLEST Beauty, and then I have AMIFULLEST Live Vlog. So if you guys want to catch up with your girl, follow me there. But I ordered some skincare. This is for hair, to lay down your lace front wig without using the got to be spray. So I saw this one and I thought, you know what, let me give it a try. So I pick it up. Yeah, I pick it up, and this is some the black mask, the black peel mask. You know, sometimes you're going to need to like take out the skin. I bought this face moisturizer with SPF 25. This is the one that I normally use, this one, SPF 30, but I'm going to be using both of them together because I still have a little bit of this one. And I have my main moisturizer, which is the ELF cosmetic. I have this one. I'm still gonna use that, and I just pick up some new things, and I pick up a new face wash. This is for sensitive skin, for normal to oily skin, but it's very sensitive. It's very cool for sensitive skin. So I thought, let me pick it up to use it. But if you guys want to know more about skincare, follow me on my beauty video on my beauty channel, which is AMIFULLEST live blog. Yeah, this is the room. Let me just give you guys can I turn the camera around? Let me just turn the camera around and give you guys a quick of how the room is looking like. Sometimes I do come here to, like, when I want to cool down and edit my videos and just go away from the kids. I'll just come here and sit down and hide and just do stuff, and then I'll go back downstairs. But yeah, let me just show you guys how I've set everything, but I still need to change a few things when the bed here. So hopefully by the end of next month, April, the bed will be here, because that's the only thing that is remaining for me to do any other thing else. So yeah, let me just show you guys how things are set now at the moment. So at the moment, this is how things are. Just the mattress on the ground, and I still have the mattress in the plastic because I don't want the mattress to get dirty. So it's still in the plastic. So yeah, at the moment, this is how things are set up. The wardrobe, the bed on the floor, and this is how my makeup table is set. I have this stuff right there to hang some PJs and other stuff, and I feel like this part is kind of good. This makeup organizer is just standing there because I haven't got the thing that I wanted from Ikea, so I can put both makeup organizer, and here maybe I'm going to be putting my perfume. I don't know, but for now I just have everything in here. All my perfumes are just in here for now. But yeah, this is how everything is looking like, you know. I still have a little bit of space in here. So maybe I'll put a carpet here. I don't know. Not too sure yet. Let the bed come first. I was thinking of getting a chair, but then I was like, no, there's not a lot of space. Well, my son do have one white chair in his room, which maybe if I want to edit or film videos, I can take it. But I feel like this one is also pretty nice, you know. It doesn't take a lot of space, and I just have random stuff here for the bed. But yeah, things has to come, and so I'm just going to put that here. When I bought the Ikea cast, it's going to stand there, and then I can put on top, I can put my makeup stuff. Yeah, but the TK Maxx is also open. Friday, I have an appointment. I'm going to do shopping. I'm going to look for those tray, you know, like those glass tray where you can put makeup. You can put your perfume. To organize, like perfume organizer, those nice stuff. So I'm going to look there at the TK Maxx. I'm going there on Friday, so hopefully I'll find something. But yeah, so far so good. These are all how all my makeup are looking like for now. Have most of my makeup in here, so this is how things are looking like. And here I just have random makeup sponges, but after everything is done, I'll come and give you guys a full room tour. For now, it's just basic. This is all. It's a really small place, but I really like it. It's really nice. I really like the small place. It's not like super big, but it's perfect enough for me. It fits. And sometimes when a room is like super big, also I kind of find it difficult to, like, not difficult, but I want to add more stuff into it. But like this one, I feel like I have everything I need. Important stuff, they're already in here. I have this big closet, and I have another closet in here, so I feel like it's okay. The bed also have a huge storage under. It's a storage bed, so it's like this box spring bed, but we can lift it up, just the same one in the kids room, just the same, but it's a different design. It's, you can lift it up and you can add some stuff in here. For example, when the summer is coming, I bought a summer blanket, which is still in the corridor in the box. So like when the summer is here, I can actually fold this one, because this is winter blanket. I can actually fold this one and put it underneath the bed, and then use the other one as the summer blanket. So the bed has a really big storage, so that's the reason why I got it. It was pretty expensive, but I thought, you know what, it's something I'm going to be using for a long time. I don't really like to change stuff like that, because stuff like that are really expensive, so you don't change it easily like other things. But yeah, so this is just a quick update, and your girl is going to cook. I feel like eating vegetable soup with boiled plantain. So that is what I'm going to be making, but I'm going to do a separate video, show you guys how I make that. But let's just wrap up the video. I want to say, you guys, thank you guys. So if I'm talking like different, it's because I went to the dentist yesterday to do my teeth, and they gave me this thing, not so that you don't feel pain, anesthesia. I don't know how to call it. I don't know how to call it in English, but so you don't, verdoving, we call it verdoving in Holland. So you don't feel the pain whilst they are working on your teeth. But when the thing is leaving when it's getting less, it's leaving your face kind of feels, it just makes your face feels different. So that is why maybe the way I'm talking is kind of strange. But yeah, it's getting better right now. I'm just feeling like here, I'm feeling a little bit like, I can't feel this part a little bit, so it's getting better. But yeah, I want to say thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. We are almost at 1K subscribers. I've got my watch time. Watch time is complete. Almost at 1K subscribers. So if you're not a subscriber, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, be part of the AMIFULLEST family. And if you guys want to check my other YouTube channel, feel free, which is AMIFULLEST Beauty and AMIFULLEST Life Vlog. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Team Fullest, peace out.